Struggling with weight loss on keto? You're not alone. It can feel overwhelming, but I'm here to share 5 easy tips that will make all the difference without leaving you feeling hungry. Let's dive right in. First up, maintain a high-fat intake. It sounds counterintuitive, but fat is your friend on this journey. When you fill up on healthy fats, you not only curb those cravings, but also keep your energy levels stable. Think avocados, olive oil, and nuts. They're delicious and satisfying. Next, watch out for hidden carbs. They can sneak into your meals when you least expect it. Always read labels and be mindful of sauces, dressings, and even certain vegetables. Remember, it's not just about cutting carbs, it's about being smart with what you eat. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps with digestion and can even reduce feelings of hunger. Plus, sometimes our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to snack when all we really need is a glass of water. Don't forget to incorporate plenty of fiber into your meals. Leafy greens, chia seeds, and flax seeds can help you feel full and satisfied. They're low in carbs, but high in nutrients, making them perfect for your keto plate. Lastly, don't skip meals. It might seem tempting to cut back, but that can lead to cravings and binge eating later. Instead, focus on balanced meals that keep you full and energized. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more keto insights. And don't miss tomorrow's video, where we'll explore how intermittent fasting can supercharge your keto results for even faster weight loss.